If you want to remove a community from your X, formerly Twitter, profile, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to leave a community on x.com step by step, so you can clean up your profile and manage the communities you no longer want to be part of. This is a super simple process, but if you've never done it before, it can be a little confusing because X changes its layout from time to time. So I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open x.com or the X app and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the home screen, look at the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll see several icons and options, including your home feed, notifications, messages, and more. What you need to find is the communities icon, which looks like two people. Click on that communities icon to open the list of communities you're currently joined to. Once the communities page loads, you'll see all the communities associated with your account. Now click on the exact community that you want to remove from your profile. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you're part of multiple communities, because this step is important and you don't want to leave the wrong group by mistake. After opening the community, look for the leave option. This is usually available somewhere near the community details or options menu. Click on leave to begin the removal process. X will then show a confirmation pop-up to make sure you really want to leave the community. This is your final chance to double check that it's the one you want to remove. If you're sure, click Leave Community on the pop-up to confirm your choice. Once you do that, you'll be removed from the community immediately, and it will no longer appear as part of your joined communities on your X profile. And that's it. You've successfully removed a community from your x.com or Twitter profile. It only takes a few clicks, but knowing where to go makes the process much easier. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.